Hello, my name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today I'm staying home. I'm not in dance studio. Why? Because of safety reasons, because of coronavirus around the world. And this is my second homemade video. You may want to check first one, which was about waltz basic steps, but today we will learn some tango. So we will start with exercises, with balance, with feet and leg actions, tango walk, and also some body rotation. And after that we will learn tango basic routine. Can you imagine? In this small space we will do tango routine. And we start with posture and balance. So we keep stomach in, shoulders down, head and neck stretch up and slightly back, and knees are slightly bent. Sometimes we say sit up, but knees are not too much bent, but slightly bent. Now about balance. Balance is slightly different than in swing dances. In swing dances we have very much forward balance so that body can almost fly. But in tango we are not producing swing, more of walk and rotation. Therefore balance is more in the middle of the foot. And we will do exercise. We will stand, for example, on left leg. We lift right leg up and try to keep vertical balance. Maybe lift up your arms. Okay, good. I'm starting to shake a little bit. If it's too easy for you, you can close eyes. It's more difficult. Wow. Good. Now we change legs. We will stand on right foot. Lift leg, left free leg up. And try to keep balance. Leg is slightly shaking. Its muscles are working to maintain balance. We can close eyes. Ooh, difficult. Okay, good. Now, next thing is exercise for free leg. So we will stand on left foot, and free foot we will stretch forward. We start with toe and then heel touching the floor. We collect and then we stretch back. Again, collect and forward, collect, back, and notice that my balance is staying in the same place. And also, next thing important is that here we are touching with the heel the floor. So, wrong version will be if you dance with the toe. This is not correct. Correct version is with the heel lead. Now we change legs. So, balance on right leg and forward. And the important thing is this heel and back. And forward and back. Now, simple exercise for tango walks. Man will start with left foot. So we go slightly down, or let's say we sit up, knees are slightly bent. And we walk forward with left foot. First step, second, third, and close with left foot back. Slow, 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 again, slow, 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 and slow. So for ladies, you may want to start with right foot back. Okay, ladies with right foot back, and right foot, left, right, and left close. Right forward, left, right, close, right, left, right, close, slow, 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 and slow. Very good. Now about body rotation. Imagine triangle, elbow, elbow, and your center. So this is a triangle. And when we rotate, we do not disturb this triangle. See? Triangle rotates. Ladies the same. Again, from this angle. So action is from hip area, so we rotate our base and shoulders react. And triangle, imagine this triangle here, elbow, elbow, body center, stays the same. Why we need that rotation? Because when we do basic walks forward and backward, we usually do not do completely straight walks, but we curve these walks. For example, man will start with left foot, forward with slight rotation to left. In feet we have CBMP, meaning feet arrive on one line. We continue to rotate and go with right side lead. Again. So we go with rotation to left. First step in CBMP, second step with right side lead. Ladies usually start back. So first step back with right foot, and with rotation and feet are in CBMP or simply in one line. So lady continue to rotate, and second step is with left side lead. Okay, now we will do routine. We start with man's steps. Man starts with walks, with basic walks. Man starts with left foot, forward, forward, now progressive link, forward in CBMP, to side in promenade, close promenade, to side in promenade, forward across in promenade, to side, close, open reverse turn, forward to side, back, back to side, close. Now we'll do brush tap, which is forward, forward, brush tap. And from beginning, slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 and slow. Again, slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 and slow. Now from opposite direction. So, and slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 and slow. Again, slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 and slow. Now, ladies steps. Lady starts with right foot, back in CBMP, back with left side lead. Now progressive link, back in CBMP, to side in promenade, to side in promenade, forward in promenade and across, to side, close, open reverse turn, lady third step outside partner, back to side, forward outside partner, forward to side, close. Now brush tap, back, back, brush, tap from beginning, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and slow. And now from opposite direction, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and slow. Again, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick and slow. And now let's try to music. Ladies steps. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have questions or suggestions about next home videos, please comment. Thanks for watching, and especially thank you my new patrons on Patreon. Without your love and support, it would be very difficult to make such videos, especially in those times we live now, in times of social distancing. So stay home, stay safe and keep dancing.